Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we will solve the sums, the formulas of a plus b square and a minus b square. First one is l minus 7 square. The formula is a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now question what is there, write it again here. L minus 7 the whole square. L is on a place and 7 is on b place. Okay, you have to substitute this formula, okay, in place of a and b. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this form you have to write of L minus 7 square, that is L square minus 2ab you have to write multiplication form, 2 into L into 7. Okay, ab means a multiplied by b, that is L multiplied by 7. 2ab means 2 multiplied by L multiplied by 7 plus b square is 7 square. 7 is in b place. Is equal to square of the variable remain the same. L square will remain L square. 2 sevens are 14. 14 into L, 14L. First you have to multiply the number and then the variable. Okay. Plus 7 square is 49. 7 sevens are 49. Always you have to multiply the square of the number. Okay, you cannot multiply the square of any variables and that will remain same. Therefore L minus 7 square is equal to L square minus 14L plus 49. So this is the answer. Now I will do second one. C minus 1 upon d the whole square. Again you have to use the formula a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is b. So question what is there, write it again. C minus 1 upon d the whole square. C is in a place and 1 upon d is in b place. So you have to substitute the formula by using the formula of a minus b the whole square. You have to write in this form, okay, of this question. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here c is in a place, that is c square minus 2ab, write multiplication form. 2 multiply by c multiply by 1 upon d. 1 upon d is in b place. 2ab means 2 multiply by c multiply by 1d. 2 multiply by a multiply by b plus 1 upon d the whole square. Okay. B square means 1 upon d the whole square. Okay, equal to square of the variable remain the same. Now you have to multiply this 2ab. 2 ones are 2 and then multiply variable 2c. First you have to multiply on numerator and then on denominator. Okay, plus 1 square. Square of the 1 ones are 1. Square of 1 is 1. 1 upon d square. Square of the variable remain the same. Now we will do next sum. 4b plus 9e the whole square. Here you have to use the formula a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Students, you have to buy the formula of a plus b square and a minus b square for homework. Question what is there? Write it again. 4b plus 9e the whole square. Okay. Now a plus b the whole square formula, what is there here? 4b is in a place, 9 is in b place. Okay. So you have to write in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square in the given question. That is 4b square plus 2ab, write in multiplication form. 2 into 4b into 9e, this is 4, okay, plus 9e the whole square. Okay, now you have to solve. Square of the variable remain the same. Okay, now you have to multiply the number. If together both number and square of the variable is there, first you have to write the square of the variable as it is, and now you have to multiply the square of the number. 4 square is 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay, plus now multiply the number first and then the variable. 2 4s are 8. 8 9s are how much? 72. Students, you should know the table also by heart. B 2 4s are 8. 8 9s are 72. First you have to multiply the number and then the variable. Variable what is remain? B and E. B into E is B, that is 72 B plus 9 E the whole square. You can't see it clearly here. Square of the variable write as it is. E square will remain same. 9 square is 9 9s are 81. In A square here 4b square, how I solved? Square of the variable here also you have to write same. E square will remain same. 9 square means 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. Always you have to solve like this. If you don't know, if you don't understand the method, this is the easy method. Okay. And final answer you should write, student. One sum I have showed you. Now we will solve last sums. 6 upon m minus 8 the whole square. So this formula will come a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Question what is given, write it again. 6 upon m minus 8 the whole square. Now you have to write in this formula. What is there? 6 upon m is in a place, 8 is in b place. 6 upon m the whole square minus 2 into 6 upon m into 8. 2ab in multiplication form you have to write. Plus b square is what here? B is in which place here? 8. 8 is in b place or b is in 8 place. That is 8 square is equal to 6 square. First multiply the numerator. 6 square is 36. 6 6 are 36. Okay. Denominator what is there? M. Square of the variable remain the same. M square will remain m square only on denominator. And numerator 6 is there. Square of any number is you have to multiply. Here 6 is there here. 6 6 are 36. Any number is given, square of the number you have to multiply, and denominator any variable is given, square of the variable remain the same. This point you have to remember, students. Now multiply the numerator first. 2 6 are 12, 12 8s are. You should know 12 table also. 12 8s are 96 upon denominator what is there, m, plus 8 square. 8 8s are 64. Okay, you can write the final answer. In first one sum how I showed you, same. 6 upon m minus 8 the whole square is equal to 36 m square minus 96 upon m plus 64. Okay, students, now we will do one more sum. This is last one only. You have to understand it properly. 4 upon a plus 5 the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square formula. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now question what is there, write again. 4 upon a plus 5 the whole square is equal to 4 upon a is in a place, 5 is in b place. That is 4 upon a the whole square plus, write in multiplication form, 2 into 4 upon a into 5 plus 5 square. Okay, first you have to multiply on numerator what is there, square of the number, that is 4 square. 4 into 4 is 16. Square of the variable remain the same, a square will remain a square only on denominator. Okay, a square which is the whole square in bracket. First you have to multiply the numerator and then on denominator. Numerator number is given, denominator variable is given. 4 4s are 16. A square will remain a square on denominator plus, now multiply the numerator here first. 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40 upon denominator what is there, a plus 5 square, 5 5s are 25. Therefore 4 upon a plus 5 the whole square is equal to 16 upon a square minus, plus, here what answer is there, that only answer you have to write, plus 40a upon a plus 25. Look the final answer properly. This is 16 upon a square plus 40 upon a plus 25. Okay. If you like this method, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.